What we got here today is a 42-inch textured white Sears ceiling fan, basically a direct copy of the Emerson 1895 series. The fan here dates to 1985. It is a 3-speed fan, electrically reversible. Reversible stencil blades to white plain on the other side. Pretty much everything you see on the fan is original, including the light and the globe. Basically, the Sears variation of the Emerson 1895, or a Sears relabel, is basically, identical in appearance, but the only thing that's different between these two are the motors. Now, the Emerson 1895 uses the K50 or KB55 motor on both 52-inch and 42-inch models. The Sears variation here actually uses a 153mm spinner motor. Now, I'm pretty sure that Sears only copied off of the 42-inch model of the 1895. I don't think they offered a 52-inch variation either. So these came in different finishes: polished brass, antique brass, white, possibly even brown. So without further ado, we'll go and get it started. Here's the light. As you can tell, the globe has a nice cool gold stencil design all on the side of it. There's even a design on the bottom as well, which is pretty cool. You definitely don't see that too often. And we'll go ahead and start it up on low. Pretty average low speed here. Pretty quiet running fan too. No bearing noise, no real motor noise or anything. We'll take it up to medium. Not real much of a difference between low and medium speed here. And we're going to take it to high. Pretty smooth running fan. Not really much of a wobble. The blades are a bit droopy from age, but otherwise it's a pretty good balance. Just an ever so slight wobble to it. But it runs real quietly. We're probably doing around 180, maybe even 185 RPM. And I believe these have a 13-degree blade pitch, so it is a pretty decent air mover. Pretty nice fan overall. And we'll go and let it coast. And we'll throw the light back on real quick to see what it looks like again. Spin down on this is rather abrupt. I'm not sure if the bearings are a little bit gummy or what, but it is what it is. It runs smooth otherwise. And that's about it for this video, so I thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 42-inch textured white Sears ceiling fan, which is a direct copy of the Emerson 1895 from 1985. So we'll be seeing you next time. Thanks for watching.